Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are happy and healthy. So dear students, as you know, we are studying chapter number 5, The Adventures of an Understudy. So students, let's see. Okay. So in the previous video, we have learned till paragraph 18. We have to study from paragraph 19. So let's see. I stopped the horse. Let those in front ride on, said I. So, dear, as we know that Rizandil, who was performing the character of King Rudolph in the absence of him, and Colonel Sapt and Marshal Strakens, and with the armies, they had gone to the cities. Okay, when they entered, when they were about to enter in the city, in the area where Black Michael was a hero and very dear to the people of those particular area. Okay, the people of those area do not like King Rudolph a little bit. Okay, so Marshal Strakens asked King Rudolph, it means to say Rizandil, to return from there. He tells that here there is a lots of risk to him. Okay, but Rizandil refuses to return from there. He decided that he moves on alone. Okay, so let's see. He stopped the horse. Okay, I stopped the horse, it means to say Rizandil stopped his horse. Okay, and he says let those in front ride on, it means to say the soldiers, the officers who are in front, let them move on. Okay, let them move on, let them ride on till they are 50 yards ahead. Okay, and he tells that they ride on till the 50 yards. Okay, but you, Colonel Saft, and my friends, wait here till I have ridden 50 yards. And he says to Colonel Saft and all his friends to wait there till he has ridden 50 yards in the area of Black Michael. Okay, and see that no one is nearer to me. And he tells them to observe that no one comes to near to him. Okay, I will have my people to see. I will have my people see that their king trusts them. He tells Colonel Sapt and Marshal Strakens that he wants to show his people that their king trusts them a lot. Okay, now see paragraph 20. Sapt laid his hand on my arm. Okay, Colonel Sapt put his hand on Rizandil's arm. I shook him up. He shook his hand. Okay, the marshal hesitated. The marshal, it means to say the marshal Strakens were a little bit nervous. He was suspicious. He was hesitated to let him move on alone. Okay, he does not want that King Rudolph moves on alone. Okay, because there were a lots of risk to him. Okay, so that is why he hesitated a little bit to send him alone to Okay. Now see further paragraph 21. Am I not understood? Said I. Okay. The narrator tells that he said that he he is not understood anything. Okay, it means to say he tells them that he will move on alone. Okay. After that, the marshal gave the orders. At last, Marshal Stockens was forced to order his army, his soldiers, let King Rudolph moves on alone in the area of Black Michael. Okay, he ordered. I saw old Sapt smiling into his beard, but he shook his head at me. The narrator tells us that he notices old Sapt, it means to say Colonel Sapt, that he was smiling into his beard. Okay, it means to say he was smiling slowly, but he shook his head at me. It means to say he permits, he allow him to move on. Okay. If I had been killed in open day, what is the meaning of open day? This is a phrase. It means to say during the day in front of everyone. Okay, because he was going in the area of Black Michael, where the people do not like a little bit King Rudolph. Okay, so the narrator tells us if he has been killed during the day in front of everyone in the streets of Strelso, okay, Sapt's position would have been a difficult one. So Sapt's position would have been in danger. He will fall in danger. Okay. So it was the responsibility of Colonel Sapt to save the King Rudolph. Okay. Now see paragraph 22. So I, riding alone, entered this barely decorated part of town. So dear student, as we know that when King Rudolph, Colonel Sapt and Marshal entered the city was properly decorated. But now when King Rudolph, it means to say Regendil, okay, entered the area, that particular area was not at all decorated, not a single part of that town decorated. Okay, so he moves on alone. It was more interesting, for I heard the comments of the crowd. The narrator tells us that it was very interesting to hear the comments of the people. Okay, so the when Rizandel entered the Michael's area, so the crowd, the people started passing comments. So when Rizandel hears their comments, so he feels very happy. Okay, he the comments were very interesting. Let's see what they comment. Paragraph 23. If he is red, he is right. Student, you can see the star. So this is a phrase. Okay, this is a saying, this is a phrase. It means to say a famous saying in Rutenia. This is a famous saying in Rutenia. What is this famous saying? What is the meaning of that star sentence? Okay, it means to say this line refer to the red colored hair of all members of the royal family. It means to say all the members of the royal family have red colored hair. Okay, so an old woman cried, if he has red color of hair, then he is the right person. Okay, I laughed and took off my helmet so that she might see that I was of the right color, and the crowd cheered me at that. So as soon as Rosendal hears the comment of that old woman, so he laughed very first, and after that he took off his helmet so that the old woman might see that he was of the right color. And when he removed his helmet, when he took off his helmet, all the crowd cheered him at that. Okay, they welcomed him, they cheered him. Okay, now see further. He looks paler than usual, said one. After that, he hears that someone comments that he looks what is the meaning of parlor? P-A-L-A-R. Eloise. Parlor means Eloise. Okay. So someone comments that he looks Eloise than usual. Okay. Let's see what is the next comment. He is bigger man than I thought, said another. So another person comment that he thought that he is a big man. Okay. Now see further 26. So he had a good jaw under that beard after all, comment a third. So third of the crowd comment that he had a good jaw under that beard after all. Okay, students. So the people comments different. Okay, they passes different comment. Okay, now see paragraph 27. The pictures of him are not handsome enough, cleared a pretty girl. Okay, so let's see what is the next comment. A beautiful girl comments that the picture of him are not handsome enough. It means to say he does not look so handsome, so smart. Okay, now see paragraph 28. But in spite of this sign of approval and interest, the mass of people received me in silence and with sullen looks. Okay, what's the meaning of with sullen looks? It means to say with silence and anger, because they supported Black Michael and not Rudolph. Okay, so, in spite of such sign of approval, it means to say many people like him there also. Okay, so in spite of this sign of approval and interest, okay, the mass of people, it means to say the people of that town, okay, received him received him with silence and anger. Okay, because they support Michael and not Rudolph. Okay, it means to say they do not show any excitement, any type of joy at the entry of the king. Okay, just they received him with very silence and very anger mode. Okay, now see paragraph 29. At last we were at the church, and for the first time the sudden sense of my audacity almost overcome me. And at last, after the town, okay, they reached at the church where the function of the ceremony of coronation about to held. Okay, so at last they reached church, and for the first time, what is the meaning of the sudden sense of audacity almost overcome me? Overcame me. What is the meaning that one? It means to say he suddenly realizes what a huge risk he had taken, and fear overtook all other feelings in his mind. It means to say he again got nervous. He again got nervous, and he realizes that he has taken a great risk. Okay, he has taken a great risk. Okay, he has got afraid. He has got afraid, and fear has taken him. Okay, and fear has overcome him. It means to say he was under the fear, he was nervous, he was doubtful whether if his reality revealed to someone, then he was punished. So he was completely nervous and disappointed, and he was he was realizing that he has taken a great risk. Okay, everything was in a mist. What is the meaning of in a mist? In a mist, it means to say, to Rizandil, everything looked blurry and unclear. Why? Why he feels so? Because he was very nervous. He was very fear. Okay, he was very fearful. So that is why everything looked him unclear and very blurry. As I dismounted, when he get down from his horse, so he, due to his nervousness, he he finds that everything is very unclear to him. Now see further. I saw the marshal and sat dimly. Okay, he notices the marshal and colonel Sapt dimly. What the meaning of dimly? Dimly means without paying too much attention. Okay, so he did not pay them too much attention because he was nervous. So he noticed them dimly, noticed them. Okay, without paying too much attention. And dimly the group of gorgeously robed priests who awaited me. And he also see and he also sees the group of the priests who waited him for the coronation ceremony. Okay, and my eyes were still dim as I walked up the aisle. And the narrator tells us that when he was going to the through the agile means corridor, when he was going through the corridor, okay, his eyes were still dim. Okay, you can see how much he was nervous. Because of nervousness, he was completely afraid. Now see paragraph 30. I saw nothing of the crowd that filled the church. Okay, it means to say the narrator tells us that he saw nothing. Okay, about the crowd. Okay, that filled the church. It means to say he notices nothing. Okay, he notices nothing. Only two faces stood outside. Only two faces stood out side by side, clearly before my eyes. It means to say he notices only two faces who were standing side by side. Okay, let's see who are these two faces. The face of a girl. He notices that there was a girl who was pale and lovely. Okay, and the face of a man. And he also sees the face of a man whose red cheeks, black hair, and dark deep eyes told me that at last I was in the presence of my brother, Black Michael. Okay, so second person was Black Michael, who has a red cheek and black hair and dark eyes. Okay, dark deep eyes. Okay, and when he saw me, his red cheeks went pale all in a moment. The narrator tells us that when Black Michael sees him, his red cheeks turn into yellowish, turn into pale in just a moment. Okay, why? Why his color of his cheeks, face? Why his color change? Because he expect he has planned that King Rudolph will not come in the ceremony of coronation. So, in the absence of his brother, he will get the throne. Okay. So, when he finds that King Rudolph has attended the coronation ceremony, so the color of his face turned all of a sudden. Okay, and his helmet fell with a clatter, and the helmet which that he has taken in his hand, okay, fell from his hand all of a sudden. Okay, let's see. On the floor, till that moment she had not realized that the king had indeed come to Strelso. Okay, students. So Black Michael does not believe that king king had really come to Strelso to attend the coronation ceremony. He was completely surprised. Okay, so dear, I hope you have got these all points very well. In the next video we will continue. Till then, watch the video and enjoy.